They say that in Catalonia, we are pioneers in innovation and entrepreneurship.
And we also have the perfect setting for attracting inspiring business events.
Catalonia presents 50/50.
Unique cities and landscapes with avant-garde meeting spaces.
And over 300 days of sunshine a year.
We are a destination with great industrial dynamism.
And a great research spirit.
In Catalonia, you can have meetings, networking, and flow.
And improve your teamwork skills.
Conferences, events, experiences,
and infinite options to offer unforgettable incentives.
We are energetic
and creative.
We are detail-oriented, responsible, and versatile.
We have a good nose for business.
Can you imagine holding your inspirational conference here?
And then continuing the inspiration here?
Congress centers, unique venues,
and loads of amazing activities for leaving a long-lasting legacy.
We are a diverse and open destination.
We protect both the environment and local culture. So that you can always come and meet.
50/50.
Catalonia, the perfect balance for your meetings and events.
Catalunya.